15 power 23 plus 24 power 15 remainder 1 7 power 13 power 19 divided by 5. Next 10 questions, listen carefully. 7 power 13 power 9 to the classes. You should tell me, sir, are you not tired taking classes? Right? 5 ones are 5. 2 power 13 power 19 divided by 5. One day, one extra class if I take, one student will create Halla, sir. 2 power 13 power 19 divided by 5. Now what you do is, remainder 1, 2 power 4 divided by 5 is 1. Only take 1. Minus 1 also you will get the same answer. Because minus 1 power even is, minus 1 power even is 1, minus 1 power odd is minus 1. 1 power any natural number is 1. Then divide this power with this power. 13 power 19, 1 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12, remainder is 1. So 13 power 19, when divided by 4, remainder is 1. Remainder 1, 2 power 4x plus 1 divided by 5. So this is remainder of 2 power 4 power x into 2 power 1 by 5. So answer is 2. Answer is 2. See, Shiva, please don't preach me here. Right? Please don't preach me. Interested, listen. Please, I cannot take people preaching me. Don't do that. Right? You will have daytime, no problem. Now see, few students in the live chat only will message saying that daytime classes are not possible. Right? Right? Now concentrate, sir. 5 ones are 5. It is 2. 2 power 13 power 19. The entire crux lies in finding these which power of numerator when divided by denominator. It is 1. Fazilat, again I will explain. 5 ones are 5. This will become 2 power 13 power 19 divided by 5. This is the first step. This is the second step. First step is this one. Make the numerator smaller. Second one, 2 power 4 divided by 5 is 1. Third step, once you got 1, take this power, divide with this power. 13 power 19 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12. Remainder is 1. Fourth step is writing in the form of equation. 13 power 19 is 4x plus 1. Fifth step is dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. 2 power 4x plus 1 divided by 5. 2 power 4 power x into 2 power by 2 by 5. Answer is nothing but 2. 10 problems I will solve of this variety so that you will not get a single doubt. We will go by one. First problem over. Second one, you will only understand it after 2 or 3 problems how to solve. Question number 2. 11 power 11 divided by 7. Listen carefully, sir. 11 power 11 divided by 7. Step number 1. 7 ones are 7. Remainder is 4. 4 power 11 divided by 7. First step, I hope it is clear. Second step, which power of 4 when divided by 7, I will get plus 1. 4 cube divided by 7. 64 divided by 7. It is 1. Step number 3, divide this number with this number. This will be 11 power 11 divided by 3. 3 4s are 12. Negative remainder is minus 1. minus 1 power odd is minus 1, positive remainder is 2, dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. 11 power 11 is 3x plus 2, so this is 4 power 3x plus 2 divided by 7. Analyze every step till 4 problems. Listen as it is. All your doubts will be erased one by one. 64 by 7 is 1. 16 by 7 is 2. Again I am explaining. 11 power 11 power 13 power 21 power 87 divided by 5. 13 power 21 power 87 divided by 5. 5 2s are 10. Positive remainder is 3 power 21 power 87 divided by 5. First step. Second step. Find out which power of 3 when divided by 5 I am getting 1. 3 power 4 divided by 5 is 1. Divide this with this, right? These power convert into these multiples. Power convert into these multiples. Remainder 1. 21 power 87 when divided by 4. 4 5s are 20. Remainder 1. Dividend equivalent to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is remainder of 3 power 4x plus 1 divided by 5. Remainder of 3 power 4 power x into 3 power 1 by 5. 3 1 divided by 5. Answer is 3. Answer is 3. Right? Answer is 3. It does not matter here, Priya, if x is odd or even. Why? Because it is 81 divided by 5. 5 16s are 80. Positive remainder is 1. 1 power any natural number is 1. 1 power any natural number, it is 1. I hope question number 3 idea is clear. Question number 4. Question number 4. Remainder 1. 11 power 11 power 11 divided by 9. 11 power 11 power 11 divided by 9. 11 power 11 power 11 divided by 9. 9 ones are 9. Remaining is 2 power 11 power 11 divided by 9. Divided by 9. Right? That also will give you the same answer, Ramesh. No difference you will get. 2 power 11 power 11 divided by 9. I will do it in two methods. Method 1. Positive remainder. Sir, why can't I take negative remainder? Ramesh also said 3 square, so I will do it in positive remainder. Which power of 2? When divided by 9, I will get plus 1 or minus 1. 64 divided by 9 is 1. Then divide this number with this number. I hope by this time you should have understood the logic. 11 power 11 divided by 6. 6 2s are 12 minus 1. Negative remainder minus 1. Positive remainder 5. 11 power 11 is, when divided by 6, it is remainder 5. So this is written as remainder of 2 power 6x plus 5 divided by 9. This is nothing but remainder of 2 power 6 power x into 2 power 5 by 9. 64 by 9 1. 32 by 5. 9 3s are 27. Positive remainder is 5. Positive remainder is 5. Positive remainder is 5. Everybody reply it in the live chat if it is clear to you.